Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake dough. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready and at room temperature. Begin by accurately measuring your dry components. Sift together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt into a medium bowl. This step helps to aerate the flour and distribute the leavening agents evenly, preventing lumps in your final batter. Next, in a large mixing bowl, cream 1 cup of unsalted butter with 2 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This process incorporates air, which is crucial for a tender cake. Gradually add 4 large eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to infuse your dough with a delightful aroma and taste. Now it's time to combine your wet and dry ingredients. With your mixer on low speed, alternately add the sifted dry ingredients and 1 cup of whole milk to the butter mixture. Start and end with the dry ingredients, adding them in 3 additions, with the milk in 2 additions. Mix only until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake, so be gentle. Finally, pour your perfectly mixed cake dough evenly into 2 9-inch round baking pans that have been greased and floured. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.